Dumelang, ke a le amogela mo Losika Rights. Nna ke bidiwa Tshegofatso. Hello, welcome to Losika Rights. I am Tshegofatso, and today I'm asking for your help. Pretty please with a cherry on top. I have had a lot of comments from normal people, from researchers, from other channels asking me to teach them some Setswana swear words. Now, I'm a lady and I don't swear. Well, audibly. I don't swear, I don't project or hurl insults at other people. But I think people really want to learn this part. I am not sure how I should teach people how to swear when I don't swear. So this is me just asking for help. How can I curate a video of swear words? I don't know how I can do that while maintaining my ladyship, because I don't swear. Not in Setswana anyway, but I know some Setswana insults. I just don't want them coming out of my mouth. So any help in that space would be much appreciated. So I'll be waiting to hear from you. Okay? Khosiame. Bye.